Hi everyone, this is CF Studios, and today I'm going to show you some new Thomas Sounds I've brought off of Trade Me. So here we go. The first one we'll be looking at is Fergus from the Take Along range. That's just showing how his flywheel works in the other one too. He's in a decent condition. Yeah. See, there's a 2004 at the bottom. This must be 18 years old. And after that, I've got... hang on. Skyler's Puppet Show from Trackmaster Fisher-Price. A greatest moments pack, in my opinion. Don't know why I made it up. But he still works. He's got nice banner detailing on him. He's his face. Although the side rods are static, but they don't move. That's a bummer. A green bolster wagon with cable drones or banners. And a puppet show car, which you see is Puppet Show on it, with these marionettes. That's all there is to say about these items I bought off of Trade Me. So, yeah, like and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. Bye!